Anna wakes up on a sunny Saturday morning. Today is special because she will visit the farmer's market for the first time. Anna is curious about what she will see and taste there. She grabs her bag and leaves home with a smile. The market is not far from her house. Anna walks for 10 minutes and then she sees many colorful tents. The market is busy with people talking and laughing. Anna feels happy and excited. She first stops at a fruit stand. The apples are red and shiny. Anna picks one up and smiles at the farmer. The farmer is friendly and says, "These apples are very sweet." Anna buys 2 apples and puts them in her bag. She likes the smell of fresh fruit. Next, Anna sees a table with many kinds of bread. There are big loaves and small rolls. One loaf has seeds on top and it looks delicious. The baker says, "Would you like to try a piece?" Anna nods and takes a small bite. It is warm and tasty. She decides to buy the loaf with seeds. Anna walks to another stand. Here she sees bright vegetables. There are carrots, lettuce, and tomatoes. Anna loves to make fresh salad, so she buys some lettuce and tomatoes. The farmer tells her a joke and Anna laughs. It is nice to meet friendly people. Then Anna notices a stand with honey. The honey jars shine in the sun. The beekeeper tells Anna about the bees and how they work together. Anna finds this interesting, so she buys a small jar of honey. She thinks it will be nice on her bread. As Anna looks around, she sees a stand with flowers. The flowers are colorful and smell nice. Anna chooses a small bouquet of yellow and white flowers. They remind her of sunshine. After buying all these things, Anna feels happy and her bag is full. She is ready to go home and enjoy her new food. Anna thanks the farmers and walks back with a big smile. When she gets home, Anna makes a sandwich with the bread, lettuce, and tomatoes. She adds a bit of honey on the side. The sandwich is so fresh and tasty. Anna sits at her kitchen table and eats slowly. She feels grateful for the good day. In the end, Anna places the flowers in a vase on her table. They brighten up her room. She thinks about the friendly farmers and the delicious food. Anna knows she will visit the market again soon. It is a wonderful place to spend a Saturday morning.